Here's our Fanu Robodrill Alpha T-14i with 16i control. Nice machine in good clean shape. Andy's getting it ready to do some demonstrating. What's the tool holders on these, Andy?
14, that's what the T-14
yeah,
is.
no, I mean, is it a BT30 or? These are micros.
Question, I'll tell you, they're small.
Yeah, they're tiny little jobbers.
I think it's written on here, so I always get it wrong. BT30, yes.
Yeah, BT30.
I don't think they see everything. Starting with 3 axes, this was on a part that required it to go up and down around the window.
Oh yeah, I see that now.
That's at 8,000 RPM.
Nice.
Yeah, that's about it.
Good, it's good running machine, sounds good and quiet. Does the job.